My sister has this colorful little owl piggy bank and she wonders why she can't save any money. Duh, the lid is missing. Obviously, you can't have any savings. Let's design a cap and stop this bleeding. For the sketch, I'm going to use the revolve feature, and for that, we need to draw a sketch around the center line through which the sketch will revolve and create your part. After giving the necessary dimensions to the sketch, a sketch is fully defined, and after revolving, we do have the first look for our part. Now, since this is a cap and has to have a snug fit, we need to give it some tolerances where it can flex a little. We are going to cut these sections of the cap so that we enable the walls of the cap to move and have a tight fit on our owl towards the opening. A little bit of indent on these walls will help the cap stay in its place and remove some stress from the walls. Next, we want to create a small notch which will help us to open this cap. Finally, for aesthetics and to provide more strength at certain locations, we will fillet our part and save as an STL so it's ready for printing. So seems like the print is ready and now it's time to test this. Our owl is ready and I'm just going to invert this and try and push this in. I think this is a perfect snug fit that we have. As you can see, this is not coming out. And the feature that we had for the screwdriver to, nicely fit in and remove, I think this works very well as well. And it's time for us to put in some money and get some savings started for my sister. Okay. Happy owl and hope everyone reaches their financial goals for 2024.